Right, auto. Who am I paired with? Ah, Frank.
Yeah, Kai.
Yes.
Don't fuck up.
Wow, it lags the moment you hit the ball.
For you, it does.
And you shouldn't touch your balls.
Excuse me, but I don't have balls. I have squares. Jeez, sexist bitch.
You should get that checked out.
It's the same.
I sexually identify as a toaster, if that helps.
So if I stick my dick in you, I can get toast.
No, I get toast. Learn what I am! God damn it.
No toaster shaming.
No toaster shame me. I may have had a couple of hot pockets in there, but who's just... No!
Ooh! Oh! Ow!
Shut up, Kai, with no points.
That thing, that only has 5!
It's 5 whole more points in fucking Kai.
You wanna bet? You wanna bet?
Yeah, I'll bet. I got first touch on that bitch.
Oh, you're on then. You're on.
Oh!
Oh,
2 points more than orange.
5 points more than you, Ned.
what?
5 points more than
Oh.
you.
100 points more than Frank.
I just blew you up twice.
That doesn't count for points, Ned.
Yeah, demolitions don't.
You know what's gonna be funny when your internet cuts out halfway through a game, Kai? That'll be so hilarious. You're about to score and it disconnects you. You've spent the last 5 games being ridiculed like that, and you finally do it. You finally let your dreams come true. That's it. Consolation goal, Frank. Yeah! Technically, we can get a goal in 3 seconds if you keep the airborne, Frank. Okay?
Guess who has more points?
We're not gonna get it. Stars of a line, bitch!
No, keep that up. Somebody keep it up. Yeah.
Guess who got more points, Ned?
You know what? Kai. I fucked you like 4 times, don't care.
Guess who has 4 more points, Ned?
I'm a whiv. At least I don't have to be with that fuckboy Kai.
Aye.
It's fucking worst.
5 points more.
Shut up, Kai, I have points. Yeah, shut the fuck up, Kai.
Can't
tell me the wrong amount of points. Kai.
Oh my god!
You know what cunt is short for? Cunt. Do this.
Coming, guys! I'm coming!
Fuck!
Frank, I'm sorry.
Frank did nothing wrong, Kai. You didn't need to involve Frank in
sorry,
this
Frank.
bullshit.
I'm sorry, Frank. Oh! That was too good.
Disconnected.
Disconnect. He's nowhere near scoring before he can disconnect.
What?
All you weirdos look the same. You know, four wheels.
What if they added motorcycles into the game?
What if they added 3-wheel cars that don't control very well?
Oh no!
Yes!
Kai, well done. Hey Kai. 50 points.
Don't
You
you dare.
give me that 51 point.
No.
It's even before that goal, Kai.
No.
Kai. Fuck's sake. Helping out Ned after he insults the living fuck out of you.
I didn't mean to.
It's a
I'm
kind
sorry,
of.
I'm sorry, Master.
And now Frank's
Oh,
on.
Soundwave.
Hey Kai.
Soundwave, come on.
Kai, the only person you can brag about having more points is his Soundwave. The only hope of winning the game. You know, because you can't score.
We're gonna win this. We're gonna win this.
Aye, Kai.
Yes.
You're gonna win it sucking dick. So you're gonna win. Kai.
Yes. Yes, I am. that freaking amazing.
Ashton Frank, we're gonna win this. Hey Kai, 80 points. 80 points.
At least I'm only 100 behind you, Ned.
5 points, but loads. 16 lots of 5 points, Kai. Obviously, you're not going to be able to get that many first touches. Kai.
Yeah, you can stop rubbing it in now.
Oh my god, is Kai gonna do something?
Oh!
Kai could do something!
Oh, Sam.
Oh, what a poach!
Kai. 45 points, Kai.
5 points.
Hey, now I'm 25 points ahead of Kai. Yay! That's how you get points, Kai. You do something.
Don't tell him that. You fucking confused.
Like that.
Oh, no.
I hit you into the ball!
Oh, it looks
Watch the replay! I hit him into the ball!
Oh, so technically it's Soundwave's goal and not Kai's.
That was my goal.
Exactly!
That was my goal.
It's not. It's Soundwave's.
My goal.
Why the fuck are you hitting it towards the goal? Yeah,
Do
yeah.
that.
You hear that, Soundwave? He's planning on helping me score. See, look, Soundwave, he's helping me paddle in first.
Oh, Frank. Fuck off.
Oh god. Catapulting upwards.
Oh, yes, Frank.
Fuck off!
Oh.
Oh, so close, Frank.
No.
Don't you touch that,
Not
Soundwave.
today!
Yesterday, bitch! Yes, fucking today!
Ah! You'll watch that
Sorry.
replay later, Soundwave, and realise that Kai is the reason you don't sleep at night.
Kai is the reason we don't have fucking 5 points yet.
Hey! Don't blame it on me.
I am blaming it on you.
We blame it on the Kai.
You need a Kai
He's
in
that
every
one
group to be
Kai.
escape mode. You need a Kai in every single group to be escape mode.
It's not that you're the scapegoat, it's you just shit Kai.
I was gonna poach that.
Whoa. Anybody score. Kai does not win MVP for this. Another lackluster performance by Kai.
Hey! Who's got the most points in the game?
Who's the biggest cunt in the game?
You.
Even the ball doesn't want to be near you. I saw it edging away just. It's like, man, that guy.
Quit passing in!
Would try here, Kai, but see, too busy trying to go to space.
Space is better than what Kai wants.
Kai's gonna get some space. What I'm saying.
No. No, come on, Sealand. We can't be like this.
Ah!
No,
No,
Soundwave.
Shut up, Ned.
I feel like I killed the wrong guy.
Oh my god, Soundwave, go away. Damn it, Soundwave.
Oh, and now he's blaming you.
I know.
Soundwave.
The little fuck that couldn't.
Oh, yes, Frank. Oh, Kai could have saved that. Let's watch the replay in Glee. Watch this. Watch Kai right now. Kai's like, I really could, but I don't want to win best player of the game. Fuck you, cat.
It doesn't matter. Oh, my internet's back. Kept me cut off anyways.
Oh, yeah, bye, Kai.
I will have to leave you.
Oh, is that a shame?
Yes. You'd want me gone because I'm too pro.
Too pro being shit.
My
my fault. Alright. Heading to Thurso. Yes. It's day 2. It's the first recording of Euro Truck Simulator 2 from Trucker's Diary.